Hi, Cookie. How you doing? How you doing, Cookie? You out here by yourself? Hey, guys. Uh, hey, Mike, Dan, Deanna, Christina, everybody else out there in YouTube land. Working on a chainsaw. It's like brand new. I had to put another head on there. New spark plug. It's gotta do the wires yet. Gotta do the there's a carburetor. That's a Craftsman 36. I put a new head on there. Still working on it. And got the bar cover up there. Tool got some lines. And the box down there. And Cookie's over here meowing at me. Okay. Got my radio. So yeah, just needed some new parts. The spark plug there. Gotta keep that off. Still working on it. So it's got the top cover right there. Pretty clean. Wasn't too dirty. It's on my toolbox. A light down there. Light fell down there. So I have it done here pretty soon. Alright, take it easy. See y'all later.